Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Clinsol Gel is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the product's information, Clinsol Gel is a tropical acne treatment formulated basically to help manage pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. The product contains clindamycin 1% and nicotinamide 4% and is intended for external use only. According to the product's information, Clinsol Gel is designed to help reduce acne causing bacteria while also helping reduce inflammation associated with acne. The formulation is intended to support clearer looking skin when used regularly as directed. But before using the product, take a few minutes to read the instructions on the packaging and make sure that you understand how it should be applied. Since skin care basically products can affect everyone differently, so it's always a good idea to do your own research and follow the recommended directions. As the website says, in example, some side effects will be, an example, pruritus or pruritus, dry skin, skin removal, burning sensation, and irritation. And for the dosage and directions for use, basically will be as prescribed by physician. So to use it, you'll have to start by washing the drying or washing and drying the affected area and then apply a thin layer of the gel to the affected skin as directed on the product label or by the healthcare provider. Of course, if you're considering purchasing Clinsol Gel, make sure to review the product's information, ingredients, dosage, instructions, and any purchasing terms before completing your order. Take your time to make sure that the product is suitable for your needs before buying it, and of course, you may find it at many other sellers, so make sure to check from the seller that you're buying from specifically. And of course, if you have any questions before using the products, you can review the provided medicine or contact the pharmacist, healthcare provider, or the manufacturer if support information is available. And as with any medical skin or medicated skincare products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it to make sure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Also, make sure to do your own research and follow the directions provided with the product. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.